Pilipinas, narito nating pinasumala dito on April 24, 2024. By the way, congratulations to all the winners of our pinasumala dito on April 23, 2024. And of course, today is April 24, 2024, araw ng mga tahanan or mag-ina ng tahanan, may mga sasakyan or may mga tahanan. Of course, sa ating given up 424 pintuan ng mabuting tahanan. Of course, sa ating legendaryong 2024, ang legendaryong nagwawala sa sasakyan, nagwawala sa tahanan, or sadyang magnanakaw ng sasakyan. Sa ating number 4, I choose number of 3010. So I choose 3010 for number 4 because 30 plus 10 equals to 40, and 40 belongs to number 4. And of course, here we know sa ating 24, I choose the number of 2040 na ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay maraming magnanakaw. So I choose 2040 because 20 plus 4 equals to number 24. And of course, 1328 is the number 1037. Ang ibig pong sabihin yan ay matandang lalaking bilugin. So I choose 1037 for number 20 because 10 plus 3 plus 7 equals to number 20. And of course, ating 24, it's the number of 2022. So I choose 2022 for number 24 because 20 plus 2 plus equals number 24. And here we know for the first lucky numbers for today, April 24, 2024, 40 plus 10 equals to 40, and 20 minus 40 equals to 20. So, ang ibig sabihin ng 40-20 ay napakarami talaga magnanakaw ngayon. And of course, here we now, sa ating second lucky numbers, 10 minus 37 equals to 27, and 20 minus 22 equals to number 2. So, ang ibig sabihin ng 222 ay 227 is dalawang klase ng barya. Barya ng kasaganan o barya ng kasawian. And of course, here we now for our strongest number for today, April 24, 2024. 40 minus 20 equals to 20, and 27 plus 2 equals to 29. So our strongest number for today is 2029. Ang ating 20 ay pwede siya maging 11, ating 29 ay pwede siya maging 11. So our strongest number for today, April 24, 2024 is number 2029, 2011, 2911, or Pompiang 11. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para kayong updated. So, sa lahat po na magpapasumada ng kanilang probinsya o galing lamang pong magbigay ng ating resulta mula first draw, second draw, and third draw together with your provinces para natin maharapan ng tamang interval to make you win. At lagi itong hintayin every 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Only marry kayo magpa-code ng inyong mga birthdays, anniversaries, maging ang inyong mga panaginip. Sapagkat ang bawat panaginip ay may kanya-kanyang anunsyo at numero na sa inyo ay magpapanalo. Thank you for watching ako. Sintay Maharlika ang nagsasabing gising-gising. Dahil sa bawat umaga ng paggising is a new beginning of a new blessing. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe. And again, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nagbabalato kanina, sa lahat ng mga nanalo. I love you all. More blessings to us.